You're actually helping a lot. Guys, we won. Undefeated! Oh man, we lost it the last minute. Woo! I'm tired. Someone almost went overboard right there.
Oh no!
Ow. Hey, trim it. Let's trim it. I want to get out of the way.
You hate to see that.